An all-in-one cooler consists of two parts, the radiator and the CPU pump head with the pre-applied thermal paste. Note the plastic protective cover on the pump head. To mount the radiator in the top of the case, we need to attach it and three 120 millimeter RGB fans to the case bracket we removed earlier. An all-in-one cooler works the same way a car radiator does. The pump head transfers the CPU heat to the water, which is then pumped to the radiator where the water is cooled by the fans and the excess heat is exhausted out of the top of the case. Once the fan radiator bracket is assembled, it is ready to be placed in the top of the case. I can now remove the protective plastic cover from the AIO pump head and place it on the standoff screws that we mounted on the motherboard in our first step. Hand tighten the 4 screws so they are snug but not over tight. The AIO pump requires 2 connections. A USB 2.0 data connection, which is used by the CAM software to control the functioning of the pump. The second connection is a SATA power connection to power the pump head. This is the last component in our build. Next, we will review all connections before we conduct our first power on test.